In today's video, I'm going to teach you. Today, I'll show you how to sort specific columns in ascending order in Google Sheets on desktop. Start by opening your Google Sheet on a desktop web browser. Make sure you're working in the correct tab and that you can see the data you want to organize. If you're collaborating with others, it's a good idea to confirm you're looking at the latest version so you sort the most up-to-date information. Next, select the range of cells in the column you want to sort. Click and drag to highlight the cells that should be included. If your column is part of a larger table and you want the rows to stay aligned, include the related columns as well so entire rows move together. If you only select a single column from a multi-column table, Google Sheets will sort just that column and could misalign your data, so be intentional with your selection. Avoid including totals or summary rows at the bottom, since sorting will move them into the middle of your data. Now, go to the top menu and click Data, then choose Sort Range. This option sorts only the range you selected, not the entire sheet. That's different from Sort Sheet, which reorders every row across all columns, so Sort Range is the safer choice when you want to target specific columns. A dialog box will appear. If your selection includes a header row, check the box that says Data has header row. This ensures your headers remain at the top and don't get mixed in with your data. If you didn't include a header in your selection, leave that unchecked. In the same dialog, choose the column you want to sort. If you included multiple columns in your selection, you'll see a drop-down to pick which one controls the order. For ascending order, select A, Z. This sorts text from A to Z, numbers from smallest to largest, and dates from oldest to newest. If your data looks off after sorting, double-check that cells are formatted correctly as numbers or dates rather than plain text. Finally, click Sort to apply the changes. Your selected range will reorder based on the column and criteria you picked, while anything outside that selection remains untouched. If you don't like the result, you can always press Undo to revert instantly, and that's how you sort specific columns in ascending order in Google Sheets on desktop. With careful selection and the Sort Range tool, you can reorganize your data quickly without disrupting the rest of your sheet.